Hey, so I'm doing some luggage reviews for my favorite items of luggage. So I'm going to go over some of those here today. One item that I've already reviewed is this. This is my favorite personal item that carries a laptop. It is a Lily and Drew bag, and I will link to that one below. And this is my favorite personal item that actually has wheels and telescoping handles, so you can just drag it behind you. And it is the American Tourister 4 Kicks Rolling Tote. This is my favorite carry-on item, and it is a Travelpro Maxlight 4. And if you like travel videos and luggage reviews, packing videos, please subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of plans for a lot more videos, and I have other videos that you can check out, mostly packing videos. So please check those out and subscribe to my channel. Hey everyone, I'm doing a review of my favorite carry-on luggage today. It is the Travelpro Maxlite 4 22-inch Expandable Rollaboard suitcase. This one is in gray. It does come in a couple other colors, and of course I will link to the product below and you can check that out. I bought it on Amazon, and when I bought it from the Amazon warehouse, so I actually got a pretty good deal on it that I was happy to get. So let's go over some of the features and I'll tell you why this is my favorite carry-on luggage. So first of all, this just has two wheels in the back. It's not a spinner, it only has the two wheels. So you pull it behind you like this. The reason I went for this model, because there is a spinner model that's very similar to this one. It's like the spinner version, but you lose area when it's a spinner because basically the wheels are mounted underneath, and you have to cut down the luggage a couple inches in order to have those wheels involved. This one has this little inserted area where the wheel inserts into the suitcase, so you're not losing a lot of space that are going to the wheels. So let's go over the pockets of the luggage. First pocket is above the main compartment here. So you can see it's just short, so it goes down to about here. So you could easily put your phone in here, a wallet, passport, boarding passes, anything like that. Just to show you with an iPhone 7, that fits right in there that way. And if I put it upright, it just peeks out just a little bit. So that's about how big that compartment is. So it's really nice just for quick access. And then the front pocket, it only opens about that much, and basically it's just a wide open space. So this is really good for putting like a tablet or laptop, book, magazine, anything that you want to have quick access to on the plane or during your flight or anything like that. The suitcase just has two handles, so one on the top, and it is nice and padded, comfortable to carry the bag, and then it has another one right on the side, and this one's also padded, so you can carry it either way. It has this little luggage tag area where you can put your name, an address, phone number, all of that. The wheels are really nice. They roll very, very smoothly, and I don't know if you can see, but they roll really nice, and they're just really, really smooth. They're actually like rubber coated. If I get a little bit closer here, you can see the wheels a little bit better. So I've used this suitcase several times, and you know, there's no wear and tear on the wheels. There's a couple scratches here and there, but not a lot of wear and tear. So the suitcase is expandable. So it has the zipper that goes here, and it goes all the way around to the other side, and that expands the suitcase a couple inches, so you can fit some more stuff into it. So let's open up the suitcase completely, the main compartment. So you can see on this side there is kind of the mesh pocket, so you could put, I don't know, I guess I like to put like smaller items here, like maybe socks, underwear, swimsuit, anything like that. Any other little things that you like to have traveling with you. Like I put like my eye mask in here, and just any other smaller items. It also could be really good for storing like your dirty laundry when you're done wearing it. And then the main compartment, it just has these clippy straps that clip together, and then they tighten to hold your things in. But other than that, it's pretty basic. It's just wide open. If I kind of tip it, you can see how big it is. I'll put my phone laying sideways in there. So you can see there's plenty of room. It does have the two handles, so there are the bars on the inside, because it does have the telescoping handle, of course. Alright, so that's basically it. It's just a very basic suitcase that is very well made and very sturdy and holds a lot of stuff, because it really does maximize the amount of space for a carry-on item, which is what you want for a carry-on. You want to have the most amount of space that you can get for the size of the carry-on suitcase. And this one does a really great job at that. And I'll also show you the spinner version. If you really want the spinner version of this suitcase, you can get that option. Like I said, I just went with the roll behind because it does give you a little bit more space to put items in your suitcase.
So here we are at Amazon. This is the Travelpro Maxlite 4 luggage that I have. It's currently not available in the color I have. I have the gray one, but it is available in other colors. So generally it's right around $80 to $90 it looks like right now. Blue is the lowest price at $79.99. And like I said, I did purchase this as a Amazon warehouse deal, which means like it could have been scratched or dented or have other kind of cosmetic flaws. When I got it, I think I noticed one tiny little scratch didn't bother me at all, and I saved probably, I don't know, $30 off retail price, what it was normally selling for on Amazon. So if we kind of look through some of the pictures, you can see pretty much what I had shown you. There's the inside. It looks very similar. One thing I didn't talk about that I guess I should have was that there is a little mesh pocket over on the side here. So when you open it, it's on the left, or the side where the actual opening of it attaches. And the other thing I failed to mention earlier too was the actual dimensions. So it is 21 by 14 by 9 inches. So that's pretty good size for most airlines for a carry-on. But you're going to have to, check with your airline to see if that is the appropriate dimensions for what they consider to be a carry-on. And then to show you the spinner version of this bag, so mine is the Maxlite 4, but the Maxlite 5 is available now. It's kind of the next version of it, and that's the spinner that I found was the Maxlite 5, so this is kind of a step up, and you can see that the price is a little bit higher here at $121. I really like the other color options that they have though. This Dusty Rose is very nice. And you can see even like the logo on there is the same color, so it's very, very nice. So if you look at some of the other features of this, it looks pretty similar to the one I have. It has the same kind of expansion just along the bottom. It has the nice handles that are padded. And then this one has, of course, the spinner wheels at the bottom. And these wheels are very small if you compare those to the wheels like on the one that I have. These wheels are much larger. And so I think the larger wheels would probably give you like a smoother rolling experience. I'm sure they went with the smaller wheels just because those wheels take up some room on the bottom of that suitcase, and that room counts for the total size of the luggage. So that takes away, about an inch of space that you could be used to pack your stuff. So if we look at the dimensions on this one, you can see this one's actually 23 inches by 14.5 by 9. So comparatively, it is 2 inches higher and half an inch wider. So that might be something to consider if you're considering, between the actual spinner and the rollaboard, because your airline might think that 23 inches is too much for a carry-on. And in that case, this spinner really wouldn't work for you. But if we look at the inside, pretty much has the same types of features. It has the mesh compartment on the side, the little mesh pocket on the inside, and the 2 straps that go across. And if we just do a search on Amazon for Maxlite Travelpro carry-on, there's a tons of options that come up. They even have a hard side spinner. So if we take a look at that one, ooh, this one comes in Dusty Rose. Oh, that is nice. But let's look at the features of this one. So this is pretty cool. It does have the like TSA lock, so you can put your 2 zippers into that right at the top, and you have a code. And I believe that TSA is able to get in there with a specific key. And if we take a look at the inside, so it has one side, like half of the luggage, where you would put your things. It has the straps that kind of make the X shape over it. And then on the other side, it has the zipper that has a mesh closure, so you can kind of close everything in on that side, so when you're closing your suitcase, everything doesn't fall out. And here's kind of the packed version of that. Pretty standard for hard side luggage. But overall, I think it looks really nice. I really like that Dusty Rose color. And there is an expandable carry-on. So if we take a look at that, it has 2 zippers, so one of them would be able to expand around and give you a couple inches. Looks like extra 2 inches if you go with the expansion one, which is nice if you kind of an overpacker or might just need that extra room. However, the airline might not appreciate you expanding your luggage that extra 2 inches. I like to use that expansion just so I can get everything in the suitcase and then kind of compress everything and then try to zip that shut. It's just another way to get more in your suitcase, is kind of how I feel about the expansion like that. Alright, but yeah, they do have lots of different options for luggage, and I think that Travelpro is a really, really good luggage brand. To me, they just have really quality products. And I've read, I don't know how true it is, but I've read that a lot of airline staff, pilots and other airline staff who travel a lot use Travelpro as one of their main luggages because it has really good quality and it's just a reputable company.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. I do plan to release more videos in the near future. Thanks!